Welcome to the Marysville Ford Pro Elite Commercial Service Center right here in Marysville, Washington. This building was designed with you in mind. Whether you're hauling a heavy load or getting your RV on the road, we're here to help you with sales, service, upfitting, and everything in between. My name is Meg Anderson with Kendall Auto Group, and tonight we have live music, we have vendors set up with all the upfits that we can help with your truck for your business to keep you rolling on the road, and a whole lot of fun.
Employees of Kendall Ford, Kendall Chevy, and Kendall Subaru that are here, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for everything you do for our company. The reason that we're even here is because of you. I have never met such a group of hard-working, ethical individuals than the employees of Kendall Auto Group. And this facility was built for you. It is so absolutely gratifying to walk into a facility like this and have technicians have the support of their employer. I gotta tell you, if you're a technician with Kendall, we appreciate you like you have no idea. And I hope you understand that this building is meant to support you and your families. We'll bring in the work, you crank it out, and we'll both be happy. It's not an easy job being a technician, and it hurts. There are days, a lot of admin, and what they do I could never repay. So I wanna thank you from the bottom of my heart for the work that you do, because you're the ones that make this thing happen. You built this building. On September 18th, 2024, Joe Gaffney stood out here with a shovel and we started this thing. Now Gaffney Construction is not only a vendor of Kendall, but we consider them part of our family. Just like so many vendors, we can't do this without good quality vendors. But he was done and turned over this building September 15th, 2025. Thank you, Joe. An individual that works so hard and cares so much for what she does. She's not only building this facility and the Chevy facility, she's got an Anchorage Ford project. We've got a new Honda and Acura store being built right now, so there's a lot of things going on. Tasha is on top of each one of those. Tonight, these types of things aren't possible without the work and coordination of so many people. Many of them are in this room. Vinny, where are you, buddy? Vinny's leadership, this dream would not be possible. It is definitely a little easier on the mind knowing that the money that we're spending is being managed by a terrific gentleman and a good businessman. So thank you, Vinny. But I want to thank Ford Motor Company for the incredible partnership that we have. I want each and every one of you to know that that's really important to Mr. Skillern, the Skillern family, and for all of us employees, that to have a partner that looks out after us. And I'll close by saying to Ford Motor Company, we are your partner and we will be looking after you as well. Thank each and every one of you. Have a great time and God bless you all.
Thank you for joining us tonight, and welcome to the Kendall Ford Pro Elite Commercial Service Center right here in Washington.